And here we have mystery box number 4. It's not that big, but I'm pretty sure it is jam-packed with goodies, and I got something extra. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I am Ruthie, and this is Unique Nails by Ruthie. And today we have our 4th and final mystery box. This one is from Dynamic Nail Supply, a brand that I have been wanting to try for a while, that I haven't had a chance to. But I seen that they were doing mystery boxes again this year, so I decided to grab the acrylic mystery box. I'm going to try to insert a picture later. Well, when I do the editing, I'll try to insert that. But I did get one extra thing on the side before I open the mystery box, so we're going to do that one first. I've been needing some new gel polishes, so I went and got one of those, and then I got a unicorn powder also, because I've been wanting a unicorn color gel polish chrome, and then this is the nude. And I will be doing swatches in a separate video of all of the products, and it does come with an overbrush. It's number 041. And this is the high brightness chrome number 5. Hopefully I don't get chrome everywhere. Trying to open it. So that's what this one looks like. And like I said, I will be doing a swatch in a separate video to show you what all of the products look like. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling the greatest today, so that's why I don't sound so enthused. So please forgive me. But next, what we all have been waiting for is the mystery box. So here is everything at first glance. And y'all know how I do. I'm going to move this to the side, and then I'm going to pull out stuff minus the peanuts. I'm trying to leave as many as I can in there. So let's start with the acrylics that I see right on top. We do have 2. These are 1-ounce jars of acrylic. This is rosewood, and this is a really pretty color. Great for Christmas. It looks like it looks like a chrome almost. I don't know if y'all can see, it's little glitter flakes in here. That's really pretty. I do remember it comes with 8 different acrylics. This is a milky white, and you can never go wrong with a milky white. Mine is actually getting low, so I'm glad that they put this in here. Oh, this is why I wear gloves. But some stuff might pop open. Like I said, milky white. Next we have, it looks like a chrome. A silver chrome. And it's number 10. Or it might be have some like purple shifts to it. Please don't. Oh yeah, like a pearly white chrome. I will be doing swatches in another video. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that throughout the video, but be prepared. So that's what that looks like. And I'm just pulling everything that's right on top. Oh, these are cute. Now, I don't remember the name of Jelly Roll. Or not Jelly Roll. I forget the name of this character. But these charms are cute. Y'all let me know what the name of this character is. But these are cute, different, and lollipops. So we got all different kinds. One with a chef's hat, one regular, one with a bow. Well, two with bows, one blue, one pink, one with a heart, a star. These are cute. Next we have charms, nail diamond charms. These are pretty good for Valentine's. They're red hearts. And then some more nail art jewelry. These are butterflies. Charm number 5. This one, oh, this is number 6. Heart number 6. Next we have some 3D gel. This color is white, which I have enough. I don't have one in a tube. I have one in a jar. But my white is not as white as it could be. We have the palettes. These always come in handy. Resin palettes. Trying not to. And these are full cover tips. So these are 3X coffin full cover tips, which I don't have any. I just ran out of certain numbers. So these are always needed. I just grabbed out a random number 6. Oh, I don't look at that. I figured it'll fit because I'm number 6. That's what these look like. And again, these are 3X full cover coffin tips. So I got a bag of those. Ooh, I have not had one of these. This is an elbow rest, and I actually need this real bad. But that's one girl you say love me, they put me in Chanel. So they put me in Chanel. This is really cute. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna help. And I have certain elbows. So we have one of them. We have a nipper and cuticle pusher combo. Always handy. The cuticle pusher will clean underneath your nails and nippers. Always come in handy. Oh, next we got some more charms. This is accessory charms. Comes with diamonds, bows, some mylar flakes, some other different type of diamonds, butterfly. It's like crushed rocks. And then some like holographic shift bows. Hopefully I can see it clearly. Oh, next we have a little bag. I don't know what this is for. But it's a little like accessory bag. I wonder if it's a put, you can put stuff in it. I'm not sure what this is. Like a to-go bag, accessory bag. It's rubbery. This is cute even though I don't know what it's for. So we have this. Oh, this is cuticle oil. So this is hair and nail dynamic serum. I can't tell if that's what the name of the scent is. I see. Like lavender. It smells like lavender. I love the ombre frosted bottle. This is cute. We have one of those. Next we have, this one is a 2-ounce acrylic enchanted nude, number 214. If I can get it open. So that's what this one looks like. And again, this is enchanted nude, number 214. Next we have number 304. Or no, not 304, 340. This looks like a glitter, like a purple glitter. What if they was listening to me and knew that my color was purple and was like, give her that one? Oh, I can't wait to swatch this and see how it comes out. It's like a purple, bluish type of shift. I won't know until I swatch it how it actually comes out. But this is pretty. Number 340. And this is a 2-ounce jar also. Next we have another acrylic, because like I said, it comes with 8. This is Cutest Pink, number 215. This is like a soft pastel pink. Trendy and Cutest Pink, number 215. Next we have Cindy Angel, 228. This looks like another pink. Yeah. I want it to be blurry. Next we have X-Ray Clear. This is a 1 ounce. You're not going to really be able to tell because it's clear, but it might look white on camera. But it is X-Ray Clear, which I'm excited to see how clear. And the last acrylic is Warm Me Up, number 224. Dang it. I can't get it, y'all. Here we go. So this is another pink. Number 224, Warm Me Up. Next we have a 25 piece of nail files. This is 80 grit. 80 grit. Oh, these are rewashable. Okay. I had another washable one, but I forgot it was washable, so I threw it away. That was stupid. But if they're washable and you are able to use them, reuse them. And then next in the box is another box. I'm trying not to get the peanuts on here. So that is the box. I'm gonna try to put this to the side. Try to show you. The box is empty. Swift. And next are the gel polishes. Okay, so first we have matte top coat, which I've been looking to try different top coats. Next we have 704. This looks like a cat eye almost. And that's what this one looks like. I have a magnet. Let's see. Oops. Oh, I think it's just a glitter. Oh, maybe we're getting a little shift. I have to swatch it and see. Because remember the last time I thought it was a cat eye and it wasn't. So again, that's number 3708. Next we have a baby blue, pastel blue. Number 245. And that's what this one looks like. A really soft pastel baby blue. Oh, this is a cat eye. Huh. So this is cat eye number 20. This one. Oh yeah, can you see that? This is a really pretty cat eye. Again, cat eye number 20. This is our icy cat eye number 12. And that's what this swatch looks like. And that's what it looks like activated. Icy cat eye number 12. This is a really pretty reflective blue. Oh, this is really pretty. Another good color, especially right now for winter sets. Next we have, oh, what number was that? Oh, it just says blue glitter. That's it. Okay. This one is just, I don't know, somewhere number 150. This is a pink. And that's what that one looks like. A soft pink, baby pink. Next we have a shiny and glossy, no white top coat. Tempered seal. I wonder if it's gonna look like glass. I had another tempered seal top coat and it made it look like glass, which was really sweet. And then we have a super white. Let's see what this swatch looks like. And here's a close up of the super white. And that is everything, you guys, that came in my mystery box. Short, sweet, simple. I am excited about everything that I got, and I can't wait to swatch it. I will be back, so let me rearrange everything and I'll start doing this swatch video. But until next time, hello.